Sorry for the vertical video. This is a review of the two different hoses that come with Shark vacuums over the last two generations. This is a Shark Apex. It's in the 1000 series. There's also a 900 series. This first hose is the hose that it came with. This is the older hose on the model from the 900 series. You can already see that it's significantly longer. Trying to stretch these out with equal force, I'm just going to do it quick to show you. This is hard to pull. This is fine. It's over my head. My arm is almost fully extended. But you can see that this collapses down to be slightly longer and is much easier to expand. So this is the old one for the Shark 900 and 950. This is for the new 1000 series, which is the Shark Apex DuoClean with 0M. Much harder to pull. Cheaper feeling hose. You can tell it doesn't come apart as easily and does not stretch. This is significantly harder to do than this. I got this one on eBay. Just look for the Shark 950 Apex hose and you should be able to find these every once in a while. I got this for about 50 bucks, which is unfortunate as it adds to the price of the vacuum. Functionality wise, these are identical. Shark Support told me that this is the only compatible model of handle for my Shark Apex. This is the previous generation. This has the exact same keying and this fits. Buttons are exactly the same. 3 different settings are exactly the same. I've looked at the brush roll. When it's all the way down on both of them, it's exactly the same. The main roller slows down so it doesn't scratch your floors. Middle one, the suction adjusts and it's for normal carpet. This is for high pile. It's the same on each one of these. It fits, it is compatible. The old Shark 900 series is significantly better than the new hose on the 1000 series. I would suggest looking for these on eBay because they can be hard to find and go in and out of stock pretty quickly. Fits just fine.